What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build Cool Sh again. This week, we're starting off a new build. But before we get started, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool sh. And while you're there, shoot over to Instagram and give us a follow at Build Cool Shit again, where you can stay up to date on all our progress. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to the compound, guys. So before we get started, let's take a moment so I can explain what all we got going on here and what the vision is for this thing. So what I'm kind of thinking is we're going to take this old dirt bike behind me and we're going to make an adventure bike with street tracker styling. It should be a really cool and unique look, and I'm really excited to build this thing. But then there's the catch. We're only doing this on $2,000. That includes all the purchases so far and everything to come. Hopefully we can stay on budget. I think we got this under control though. So now we got this 1986 Honda CR 125R. She looks really rough right now, but it wasn't that bad when I got it. I picked it up on a little deal. I was supposed to rebuild this thing, so I took it apart, gave the guy a list. He never responded. Eventually he told me he had ordered everything, which never showed up, and then he just quit answering all my calls together. After about 5 years, I gotta do something with this thing. So where I'm at, we can't street legal dirt bikes no matter how you try. But I do know of one way. So I picked up this Honda XL 250R frame off of eBay for $300. I'm going to take this frame, utilize as much components here onto this puppy, and then we're going to utilize this 250cc engine that's from China. It should be good. I've never had problems with those engines before. We're going to have to make it all fit, which is going to be a little tight, but I think it's doable. And we've got the box of parts. I don't know if we're going to need them, but we'll use what we can because we have to stay on budget. So we're going to start by stripping this puppy down, giving it a bath, and then we can start going from there, start moving stuff over, and start slowly visioning this thing. Don't know how far we'll get in this episode, but let's get started. Alright guys, after a long day, we finally got this puppy all stripped. So we're going to go ahead, call it a wrap for this episode. In the next one, we're going to go through, do some more detailed cleaning on everything, get this frame cleaned up, and then we'll start getting everything assembled so we can start seeing what we need to do to make this our own. Before we go, if these are the kind of things you like seeing, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And while you're at it, turn on the notification bell so you get updated every Saturday when we drop a new episode. While you guys are online, go ahead, head over to Instagram where you can follow our new page, Build Cool Shit Again, and stay up to date on everything we're doing here. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next episode. Peace!